What up, YouTube? This is JMizzle24. I'm back with another video. You ain't seen me in a few months. Happy 2026. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Thanksgiving, all them daggone Veterans Day, all that stuff, all those all the holidays that we missed out on since the last time I did a video. Happy to all of that. We on MLK weekend right now, and I'm at the shop, and I got a little something. Got me some 10K springs for the front of the RDX. The little 600s that's on there right now. I promise I didn't blow the struts already, blown the valves in the struts already, but I don't have the money to replace BCs. So yeah, man, about to get into it. About to change these springs, see how she ride. I also got to change one of these wheel bearings. It's going to be on the right side. You don't know if it's the front or the front or the rear, so we're gonna find that out shortly. But yeah, man. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it. You know what I'm saying? So I need to get my light on in there. But when we're pulling the coilover off, obviously, it's basically like you're doing a strut job, okay? Get my light on. So of course you want to get these bolts on here. You get these done. There's 5 bolts, 14 millimeters. If you got BCs, I think they're 13s on stock. They might be 14s. I ain't been stock for a while. So then you also want to get this sway bar link. That's an 18 millimeter. Then the 12 millimeter for the brake line, and then you got your 2 bolts for the knuckle. So I'm about to hit these knuckles off, and then get the top ones. I already got those loosened, so I'm gonna pull these off, and then I'm gonna come back once the strut is off.
One eternity later.
Excuse my workbench, but yeah. So got everything apart. These are the 6K springs that come stock on the BCs, and this is my 10K. Okay, so yeah, me and my wife, we both heavy people, man. So I'm pretty sure, these struts are kind of blown. This one's pretty decent. I'm gonna see what this one's like once I'm done with this. But yeah, man. So it's the reverse thing. So you undo the top 5 bolts, the 2 bolts for the knuckle. Make sure you take the brake line and the the sway bar linkage right there. So the brake line, that's a 12. The sway bar linkage is an 18. Once you pull the strut out, this right here, this bolt right here, for the top of the strut, make sure that you take the load off of the spring before you undo this top one, okay? So take your coilover tools and loosen the spring, then hit the top spring, then hit the top bolt, which is an 18 millimeter. Also use a 14 to unbolt the knob for the dampening. And yeah, man, you just take the spring out, put that one spring in, and then you put everything back together. It's really not that hard. It's actually a decent quick little job. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're not stopping to do it, you probably take about like 30-40 minutes on each side. But yeah, let me go ahead and get back to this, and I'm gonna come back. All right, so yep, got the springs on. Got them preloaded. It's probably gonna raise the front, so I'm probably gonna have to bring it down some. But I at least wanted to get those springs on because that thing was terrible, man. It was terrible. Just trying to make sure it's I was gonna end up blowing my struts. I just checked the struts though. They're actually good. They're not blown. I'm just hitting the bump stop or whatever. I'm surprised they're not blown because it was hitting the bump stop kind of violently. But yeah, man, these springs opposed to the little 6Ks, these little 6Ks, man. Yeah, these things ain't doing nothing compared. Well, shit, you can't see them. These little things won't do nothing. Like nothing. But if anybody wants them, I'm gonna have them things for sale. Yeah, so I just wanted to give y'all a quick little video, man, and I did the springs on this thing, and what's next is I gotta do the right rear wheel bearing, the hub bearing or whatever. That thing is toast. So the next video, once I go pick up that bearing, next video I'll be back doing a video on that. But I did want to get some content out for you guys because it's been a while. So I'll be back, man. Peace. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that good jazz. Yeah, man. And just engage. I try to engage with y'all as much as I can. I want to do a little bit of driving around on it, see how she feels before I end this video. It's a whole lot more comfortable than I thought it was going to be. It actually feels like a stock car. Yo, this feels amazing. Yo, I'm mad that I didn't do this before. Yo, that feels amazing. So I have more, to come, but I just wanted to do a little something before I ended the video. Peace.